And everybody always wonders why we use Mother's Metal Polish, because it works the best on clear coat. Hey guys and gals, welcome to Sweet Project Cars with cool, trick, and affordable ways for the do-it-yourselfer. And we got some really great news for you. Today we're talking about why plastic rusts. R-U-S-T, rusts. Why does it rust? And it doesn't really rust. What happens is the brake dust comes off of your rotors and off your brake drums, and it embeds itself in the clear coat. And I've got some close-up pictures right here. Now that you've seen those pictures, if you wonder why the clear coat on your car starts to peel, that's because of the clear coat being ate away. A small hole starts in it from the rust specks that land on it. They're hot, really hot, and they land in there and melt in. So I'm going to share with you how to fix that. And there's only two things we know how to prevent this from happening. First off, we've got to remove it. Now, I'll guarantee you this. Every vehicle has it. You can't really see it. Right here's the spot. But if you look at your car real close, you'll see that speck right there. And that is a piece of brake metal that's rusted right into the clear coat. Now this is metal up here, and this is plastic down here. The whole rear of this bumper, because it's a low pressure system, the dust, that's why the back of your bumper gets so dirty, because the dust comes up, the wind's back here, and it lands. There's a speck there, there's a speck there, speck there, tons of them here, okay? And here's what we're going to do. We're going to take a little bit of Mother's. With something like this, you can use any of the Mother's metal products, and it just takes a little bit right there. And what we're going to do is, we're going to find an area that's kind of bad. We'll say this area right here. And everybody always wonders why we use Mother's Metal Polish, because it works the best on clear coat. This stuff works really good with these buffing pads and this Milwaukee polishing tool on the scrapes and scratches from your really nice in-laws when you go to pick them up at the airport and they're too weak to lift up their luggage, and they drag it over the top and scratch it all up. This will take all those scratches out. All right. But once you've removed them, then we'll put on our little buffing pad. Handiest little tool in the world right here. Got 2 speeds. You've buffed out the whole rear part, and the neat thing about this being so small, you can get up in the tight areas here, take your plate off, get right up in there, buff all that stuff out. Right here is ceramic coating, the only one we've used for years, and all the tools will be... Julio, tell everybody where the tools are located.
Buscar en el show más de la descripción de video para todas las herramientas.
Thank you, Julio. Cesar Chavez Rodriguez, Jorge Johnson Thompson. He just added another name, so I'm letting him do it. I don't even care anymore. Anyhow, this is the only ceramic coating we've ever used. It's amazing. It's easy to apply. We've got tons of videos. Just type in, searching our channel, ceramic or nano, and you'll come up with this. This is the other product that, if you don't want to do this right here, do this after every wash for about 2 months, and then every 4th or 5th wash, use this, and you'll put a coating on this called stacking. You're stacking, it's got ceramic coating in it, and it will protect that stuff from getting embedded in your clear coat. You need a hard coat shield against it embedding into the clear coat. It cannot embed into glass. That's the cool part, and that's basically what these 2 items are right here, is glass, liquid glass. Now I'm going to go share with you, we have so many bottles of this that are left over, the little bit left in them like that. You can use it on all kinds of stuff, all your outdoor equipment and all that, to protect it, especially if it's sitting in the sun. We are starting our new channel. It's going to be coming out within about 7 days, and there's no content on the channel yet, but the link will be in the show more of the video's description, which you know where that is. You click show more and it opens up. The link will be there, and it is called Mr. Know-It-All, and we're going to fix everything you can possibly think of fixing. Coolest tricks you've ever seen on doing things, from sprinkler systems to pool issues. It keeps that stuff from going in, but it also allows... There's no content on the new channel, but you can subscribe now so that you can be able to see every video that comes out, and it's going to be amazing. We're going to do on amazing ways to smoke, like grill, you know, type briskets and ribs. Butter brisket, and all you do is take a stick stuff you've never seen on YouTube or anywhere else that's just amazing. All kinds of fixing of things and adjusting of things to make your life so much easier. We've got a way to fix plastic. One of the first things we're going to do is how to fix plastic on rough used equipment, stuff that really takes a battering when you're using it, and you're gonna love that. And the easiest, simplest, most cost-effective ways to be able to do that, and that's going to be Mr. Know-It-All. I know it's going to get a lot of people riled up. We'll get a lot of trolls coming on saying you don't know nothing, but that's okay. That's why we're doing it. We're doing it to have fun. Okay. Where and how to use up some of your old ceramic coating stuff that you haven't used. All right, here's their special tip, end of the video tip. This trailer, as you can see by the faded fender here, let me walk in front of the camera. This is all faded out. I did this here not too long ago. It's beautiful. It looks like it was almost spray painted, but it's not. Let me go share with you how to do it over on that side there. All right, now you can see by this how faded out this is right here, and it's almost eating away at the paint. It's in really bad shape. It's really oxidizing. And this is all you have to do. Take your old 99. This will clean the bird poop off too. You can use a spray bottle if you want. The Harris spray bottles that we usually use are some of the best out there, and they'll be in the tools list as well. I'm only going to just do this part here for you. Now you can keep spray painting it if you want, but that's a waste of time. And you usually don't do this in the sun, but we don't have much of a choice with that. Florida's a sunshine state. Stuff that we've had around that we know won't get used in time before it goes bad. So we just do this number right here. We put it on pretty heavy because we got a lot of it. And we don't even buff it after this. We just leave it on. Big, heavy coat. You can even do this if you want. Because like I said, it will just go bad if we don't use it. And you can use this on the plastic on your tractor, lawn tractor. You can use it on your weed whacker, plastic, whatever. It'll be easier to clean, and it'll shine for years and years and years, and the dirt will fall right off it. So that's basically it right there. You can come over here and kind of get an idea what it looks like from there. Check out the new channel in the description. Go subscribe now so that you can see every video that we come out with. What's that?
From the beginning.
And then you can see them all right from the beginning. That's the key. Then you won't have to say, well, where's that video? I'm sorry I didn't get that, or whatever. You want that channel. I'll guarantee you, you think Sweet Project Cars is good? Wait till you see Mr. Know-It-All. Out.
GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, stop. GoPro, stop.
GoPro, stop recording.